Hey, James here from Black Bear Lodge. Let's get ready to build a fire. I've already gone outside and I've gathered my oak, which is this big, dense logs. I've layered them in an arrangement at the bottom where only the biggest logs go in first. After that, I've split some cedar. There should be some in the kindling box. But you want to start with the bigger ones first and build kind of a layer, starting with the big ones and putting the smallest ones at the top. Be sure to crosshatch them just so that the logs don't tip over when they start to burn. Once you have about 2 or 3 layers, go ahead and reach into the box next to the fire stove and grab a fire starter. It looked like this. Place it in the middle where you can reach it with the lighter wand or a match. And then go ahead and put some more kindling on top, but the very smallest pieces. So I've got some little guys like this, really thin. Even the bark is really great for just breaking and setting right on top. So I'm just gonna go ahead and layer my smallest pieces right on top of this fire. And if they're feeling too long, they might stick out and block the door from closing, just put them diagonally. All right, now we've got our top-down method. The only thing left to do is go ahead and light that fire starter and then wait for it to kind of catch all the logs and close the door. You do want to make sure that your flue isn't completely open once you're starting a new fire. To do that, just come over here to the damper setting and make sure that the dial is facing up and down. If it's facing across, that means the damper is closed. We want this damper all the way open when starting a fire. So at this point, there might be a little bit of smoke that escapes the chamber. That's okay and perfectly normal. If you want to, you can close the door and leave it open just a few inches. That might reduce the smoke. All right, it's only been about 2 or 3 minutes, but this fire is already going pretty good. The smoke escaping the chamber is pretty minimal. It's all going up that chimney stack, which means that the flue is primed and it's ready to go close this door. So let's go ahead and close this door and just let this fire build.